Rio, Rio, Rio.
Hey guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Melejon and Karibu Sana. And if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, that red button, and support your girl. So guys, I'm taking this video here. It was a bit dark in the house and the weather is so chilly. But finally, guys, I'm going to get my artificial dreadlocks. Yep. So I'm so excited. I've been waiting, I've been saving for this. So I'm going to get that hair because it lasts me for long. So guys, you know artificial dreadlocks. You can be with them for even a year. So that's what I'm going to take you along. So guys, come along with me. I'm going up to, I have someone who does my hair at Umoja Market, if you know that place. But if you want that, I can always hook you up with her because she has been my salonist since 2013. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So I see you when I see you. Let's go.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable.
So guys, we are halfway there and I need to do my nails too. What do you think? They look so bad. Is it bad? They're not that bad actually. So I need to do my nails today. Today it's how do we call it? Pampering yourself. Yeah, that's it today, guys. So stay tuned until you see how they are fixing my artificial dreadlocks. Yeah, stay tuned, guys.
We all have our reasons.
The next day.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Melejon. So guys, today's video actually it's a continuation of yesterday. So yesterday I did my hair, my nails. How is it? I love them. I don't like long nails, but this is what I have to work with. This one is this is comfortable actually. So yeah, and my eyebrows. Tell me what you think on the comment below. How is my dreads? They are so cute and I love them actually. So simple. This one will last for long actually. Yeah, they are artificial dreads, not like permanent. So I can remove them anytime I want. But today's video, guys, you remember I want to go and check some few houses because oh my guys, I have been looking for houses. I can't find the one that's okay. I found this one house. I posted that house, and if you, I didn't mention even the prices because I knew that house I would take that. Then it came. I posted on my last video. You can check the first house. That house, I loved that house. Then it happens that that house was booked like when it was being painted. Yani that area people book houses, new houses when they are being painted. And I was like, what? So there was continuation of two houses which were unfinished. But when I asked, they were like they will take like 2 months. Guys, I can't wait for 2 months to move now. I really want to move. I really want to move, but I have to do that after I found a nice house for us. Guys, I need to take you along because today I'm alone. So hubby is out there traveling, but for me, I'll be here alone. So I will take you along, guys, so that I feel like I have company. So you understand? So I just hope I find a nice house which will just move in and put up with it. I don't know what to say, guys.
These are times they won't last forever, but I know that you've been scarred. There's nothing we can't heal together. You know you got my heart, and I'll never every mountain. No matter what they put me through, I don't care what happens. And I'll never leave. No, nothing could make me go. You're part of me. So I wanna know who hurt you, who made you feel like that. I wanna hurt them back, 'cause I love you. I can't stand to see you sad, baby. It drives me mad. I fight all your enemies. Yeah, I'll be there endlessly for you.
Many hours later.
So guys, I'm done with house hunting, and the first house I'm going to show you, I showed you the video of the two houses, but the first house was like 27,000. It's a 2 bedroom, but okay, 27,000 was a bit too much, but and the house was a bit, I just like the kitchen, but the balcony, you have to look after the safety of your kids. Like the balcony was too low, so that one I can't take. And the height, it was on 8th floor, guys, so I couldn't take that house. Then the second apartment, it was nice. It was on 8th floor as well, so, and it goes for 23,000. In case you need a house, you can contact me on Instagram, and I can tell you where they are. So, and I liked one house which I will be showing you the next time. I will be posting a video of house hunting, because this will be my last time I'm doing house hunting, guys. But I love this one house. I'm going to show you that house, but after my hubby, if my hubby loves it, and yeah, I will show you guys. It's one of a kind. So guys, as I was coming, I wanted to fit some clothes and buy some, and I'm here at April 12th Empire. It's here. Yeah, I'm here, guys, fitting some clothes. I'm going to share with you a video, and in case you need a dress, and they got you guys, you should come here and see these clothes. I will share a video when I'm fitting some of them, and they have even plus size clothes, not only my body. I'm slender, so they have all pieces and shoes, everything, guys. So I'm going to share with you guys. Then yeah, let's continue.
Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright.
Guys, this is Betty from Toronto. We are located along Feather Road. You can visit us. We are your one-stop wardrobe. I'm sure when you come here, you will enjoy the services here. You will get nice dresses where you'll be able to shine, just like Millie has done us today. Thank you so much, Millie, for visiting us, and we pray that you will still come. You will still come again and again, and also you will invite your friends. They'll be able to come and enjoy the services here. Cheers, guys.
We really appreciate. I hope you enjoyed our service, you enjoyed our customer service, and I'm so sure you got a piece that will change that wardrobe to another level, another instinct, another courage of dressing. Karibuni sana. It's a one-stop wardrobe.
They say that the beauty of a woman lies in her confidence and the way she dresses. Welcome to April 12 Empire, where we dress you and change your wardrobe for good. This is Mary from April 12, and you can follow us by our Facebook handle at April 12 Empire and on Instagram at April 12 Empire. Thank you so much. Karibuni sana. For good customer service, welcome to April 12.
So guys, I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye bye.